Oh my God, what did I do? What's up, traders? And today we're making a video on how to catch 130 pips from Nasdaq and US story in general. This is a separate video on how I trade Nasdaq and US 30. I'm based on Nasdaq only, but I do love to tend to catch US 30 if Nasdaq is chopping around on New York time. So my strategy is based on VIX, and if VIX is at, so what let me start by explaining the VIX. The VIX, this is the live data feed from investing.com showing, you know, rates and percentages of a chart. Like, this is actual data that shows how much percentage did the market move. If you don't pay attention to the chart, if the chart makes too much noises. So I only consider this as that thing, whereby it shows me the real meaning and how much the data moved. So VIX is basically a inverse on the stock market. It's like the overall sectors of the market. So when I say overall sectors, I mean like the XLK, the community sector, the communication tech, the hospital sector bill, I mean utility bill, or technology and those kind of stuffs. I don't really want to confuse your minds, because once I start talking about it, I'll never stop yapping about it, and I don't like to yap about it. So the main thing here is we consider the VIX as the main source of the witchcraft on Nasdaq. So we only trade Nasdaq if VIX is 5% positive or negative, which means on Nasdaq we need to see, or see, or we need to trade until it reaches 1%. NQ means for Nasdaq or US 100. You all understand what Nasdaq is, positive or negative. Let me put a slash here. What the fuck is this? Okay, positive or negative. So basically, what we're watching here is, if VIX is positive, we need to either sell Nasdaq to negative, or uh, yeah, if VIX is positive 5%, Nasdaq needs to sell negative 1%, or it's gonna be negative 1%. And vice versa, if VIX is negative, Nasdaq needs to be positive. So here's how I code this. Before the market closed, VIX was negative 4%, 4.47%, and we needed to see NQ to go to at least 1%. So I waited for the market to open at 2 a.m. Then I went long. It's the same idea, same concept on Asia session. We only do or we only trade on Asia session if the market closed like this, so that the market could be and should be trending to the upside during Asia session. Sometimes the market doesn't like it can like today it did trend so much on Asia session, but sometimes the market can trend slowly. As you can see here, it did trend very very slowly, but but on the London session, the shit exploded. London open, as you can see here too. This is the NY open. So I also did catch this trade, but this will be in a separate video. I'm really not good in that, making videos, but somehow somebody told me, like, make a recap video. We want to see how you took the trade. Yada yada yada. Same applies to this one. 2 a.m. I woke up because I saw the market was doing a different thing, and I woke up. I took the trade at 2 a.m. Then I rode it until I rode it until 6 a.m. New York time, because I was moving my stops. I was trailing it, so I trailed it to here. So I saw my profit. I lost this amount only because I just wanted to give a trade, a chart, some spaces. I just don't like getting stopped out by stop hunt. So that's basically it. You just wait for the market to close at 4 or 5%, then you enter, keep your stops and take profit. Then you let the market do its thing, bro. Anyway, hopefully this video helps, and I'm not gonna do so much editing. I'm just gonna upload this directly to YouTube. Have a nice day. Peace.